Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you just then get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today we want to talk about one of our sister. This is our sister. She be woman and she get 3 kids. She say she not know her age, she not know her parents, she not know her family, she no know where she from come, she not know. Say she confused. She bring this matter come this platform. Mona listen to her story, Mona judge this matter, whether me see accept those people wey train her as her parents or make she just continue her life. Maybe say na her husband and her children na be her parents because of wetin happen. Because dem dey talk now say the woman wey train her, when she dey think say na her mother, they say that one dey cry now, say she wan die o, she wan hear from her o, she wan hear her voice o. Anyway, make I just play a little voice record, then I will tell una wetin happen for here. Okay. One start now. My sister, you know say you know say na you say make I record you, make I put am for platform, make people for give you advice.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, continue.
When Nigeria, I dey go Cotonou, dey go Togo, I dey go buy shoe and bag, dey sell for my shop, and I dey help my family. I be the first born for my family. I always dey give them money for my business, and I dey train my younger sister to go to account for village. Dey train my younger sister. But the now say marriage, you understand? I thought okay, well, I thought okay, make I marry, say I get money now. If I don't get money, make I marry. Now for where you go? Because he get money now, he thought I dey sensitive place, na Igbo. Because me na better, Igbo. The guy thought okay, well, when I come here and I call a friend, you friend dey before the year go reach them, I don't get the but he just say when married. After I get the level finish, he come tell me say, when I come out the belle, if you come out the belle, I go marry. If I can't the belle, go marry. I don't like all giving money, I thought you come out that belle for Nigeria. After I come out the point now, before then, I go down and borrow money, you want for business. I go borrow from there, the business because they go down.
Guys, your own business come dey go down because every time you dey borrow, you know they put.
But the guy now, of course, you know, people dey block money now like that. My own business because they go down. And then I go guy. Enugu guy. My business could go down. I dey get the money, my business dey go down. They go down. I don't call them okay. I don't call them okay. I don't like. I call them frustrated. I don't know how my business could go again. I'm not going to go to. Until my sister, my elderly sister, she's still with 5 years. She come. Me don't know. She dey in Europe, but me don't know which of Europe she dey. I mean, in Nigeria, I never hear Libya. What's not hear Europe? You understand that? Let's say the world TV.
Anyway, make this voice recording long. It long. May I stop am for here because it long. If we say more follow this voice recording, we'll spend 2 hours for here. We never talk anything. So make I just cut the story short as I dey cut am before. May not too long. So wetin happen be say this our sister. He say she be 4th born. He say because the woman wey train her when she dey feel say na her mother. He said the woman get she first get 4 children. He said the 4 children she can't lost one, so he can't remain 3. So she can't dey one make she born. She can't dey find pikin, fine. You know see. Now there she for can't come me. Then she can't dey feel say now she be the 4th born because after she come me, the woman can't born other children too. He said, but the way the woman they treat her is different from the way they treat other children. Now she go walk past for the house. Now they go beat pass for the house. The way they treat her, I say, but she not reason as anything because now the woman where he grow come meet. Now it be that. So what did she go do? She just take and say na her mother. He said, but wetin dey surprise her, if 2 of them dey waka for area or for street, people go dey ask am say, where you for see pikin? Who get pikin? He go say na mama Faith pikin, sometimes e go say na mama this one pikin. E go dey imagine say you know say na my pikin, abeg make I kill this fly. Anytime I dey do video na this fly dey come, I'll kill you today, may I pause this video, I dey come back, may I kill this fly, go disturb me. Okay, so my people, now you come talk say na mama this one, na mama that one. You go dey imagine as small pikin when she be, she just see take am like that. He say, and anytime when be say somebody need help, person dey in condition say e need somebody wey wan help her, na she dey carry dey go there. So they come carry and go give one of the woman sister. So he come dey stay with that one. He say he go dey help that one, dey hawk. He say sometimes sef that one, if the day wey no go sell, say that one go beat am well. Say if he beat am, if he can't go the next day, he go sell well. Say because the woman come notice say anytime he take beat am, the next day he dey sell well. So he go come dey beat am every time. This our sister saying shop and amala with a wedu soup. Say but instinct feel say na her mother. She don't ever think say not be her parents. He say even the man, the husband of this woman, so when she dey call father, he said that one nothing to write home about. He said that one too. Now so that one say they treat her anyhow. He said cause she still dey overlook all these things, you know. He said so one day when she can't go one church, one all this white garment church, so she can't dey cry. Now she can't dey talk. So he don't know why if the father not love her. He said to my cutlass, say may he buy Fanta and some kind things so that he go do something when the father take love her. So he can't buy the Fanta, he can't go give the father. He said the father can't play with her, they can't talk. He said after that one, he no say the man come dey sick, he dey go greet the man. But when the man want die, they come dey talk say make she come, say the man want confess. So he said they not let this man confess and they not let her see this man again. And after the man die, when they want to do the burial, because she does still come, they do, you know, here when she say she they go Cotonou, they go Togo, they do business. She don't get money where she want even do go for the burial. The cutler say no, may bring money, make it not come. She can't give them money, she not go the burial. He tried to go, they try to hold her, they not green. They say make she not come. But she send money, give them for the burial. So he say no still think he can still rest. He said so the time when he come to date this guy, when he date, so when he say the guy come they collect money for his hand, the business can run down. So he call your day not get money again. He said now there this is sister come which is the this woman children when he first born before she come in. The daughter for inside, they come. He said that one senior her with 5 years. He said that one come. He said because he don't know what he be Libya. I said na Europe. Now he know. He said as she come Cutland say he want carry her go Europe, make she follow. Cutland say he no get money again. I dey tell you now this matter more for understand so that if una want judge this matter, una know the way una take judge her and give her advice whether to continue with this same family or no. Now wetin she tell me now they talk so. He say so he come say he want carry her go Europe. Then Cutland say okay. What they need for this Europe? He says she needs to bring 300,000 naira. Then she will go do passports. He said, "Koto say he no get money. He no get money. Now only 100,000. Now he gets." He said the sister cause say 100,000 not go reach. Now the mother Koto say make she go find money join her. She can say she no get. He said then this sister can collect 100,000 from her. She can't go find money when he said they need passports. She can't go find money when she take go do passports. And na the same senior brother when he senior this senior sister. Now he because he don't know where they for they do passport or how they say they do international passports. Now he still carry and go. Before he carry and go, he tell her say if you don't give her 2,000 naira, you know will carry and go. Now say your brother. I say yes. So he say me never hear anything. He say they talk to me. Me say story too long. Now I say okay. Oh. He say he can't got to give this brother when you see the cry say no get money. He can't say give her 2,000 when he take follow and go do passport, international passport. It's after the passport. Now so he say make they enter motor to north side. Now so they begin they jump, they run, the people they pursue. They can say now so they say they go this Europe. He can't say now so he get where they reach now before he go enter flights. He can't say okay. He said now so they can't say waka enter Duruku to Agades to Asite Nema. He name all of them finish. He said now so his sister they maltreat am for road. He say other people still follow them. his sister go dey maltreat am for road. He go dey talk say why you dey do like this. He go dey tell people say this woman wey dey maltreat me like this, so na my senior sister o. Does say how your sister go dey behave like this for you for road. He say she come still hide all some money. They go when they say whether they dey tranke abi na kpake and know they speak the language, when they hold them, they come still dey bail theirself. His sister no go gree bail her. He go say make e dey there, go comot leave am. He go come still bail herself. He say na so they take waka the journey till they reach Libya. When they reach Libya, na he come tell his sister say na here be the Europe. Brother, here na Europe. Na brother say here no be Europe o. Here na Libya. Your sister no tell you say here na Libya. He say come tell am say you tell me say na Europe dey come. Wetin we come dey find for Libya? They say Libya no be Europe, na Africa country. He say the flight wey dem wan use, take go the Europe. He say the flight don spoil, so na here dem wan stay. Say na there dem come start to dey fight. He come dey cry, come dey say my senior sister, you deceive me. So na so he tell am say this place wey you dey so na here you wan dey. In short, he dey sell you go come make money for here. Say he say na joke. He say the next day come carry her go connection house. He say as he carry her reach there, say make he follow am. As he reach there, comot leave am. As he comot leave am, then one man come meet am say this lady wey he comot so, he sell you for us o, so you go also for here take bail yourself comot for here. Say he come say sell me, how come? He say na my senior sister o. He say na lie. Why you dey lie? No be your senior sister. How you say na your senior sister? Say he don pay am money wey he take bring you come o, and you need to balance the money back. And now you want to balance the money back na to hustle. He say come dey cry say this kind hustle he never do am before. The kind hustle wey he dey do na how to dey buy and sell, dey buy things for other places, dey carry come dey sell, and he dey see money for inside. This kind hustle one na say make he come hustle so. He say no sabi hustle this kind hustle. He say the man, he come say he wan comot. The man come dey guide down. He say anywhere they carry dem go na so people dey when they follow dem. He no fit escape. Nothing. Wetin he need to do na to just comply with this man. Nothing to do. He say he come dey cry. Every time he go dey cry. If he dey with anybody, he go dey cry. If he dey with customer, he go dey cry. Na his sister doing like this. Upon all the money wey he spend, despite say he give am 100,000, he do passport. He still spend money for road. And he come hear say the money sef wey she even spend, e no even reach like that wey they say they reach that place. Upon no, he still come sell her. Come see dey collect money for her head. He dey suffer this kind suffer. He say come dey cry. He say people come dey talk say no be your sister, no dey lie. They don go ask am say you dey cry for connection house o. Why you do his sister like this o? He say now she talk say no be my sister o. Say no be sister. Why you dey lie? You dey claim sister when sister say no be your sister. He say where for dey cry for there, but he still dey do the work o. Say because if he no do am, they will beat am. No be small threatening and all that. He say na there people when they come go tell one guy say e get one lady when they carry come this connection house o. Na so cry dey cry o. They no know wetin dey make am dey cry. Say sister betray am o. E dey there o. And the girls sabi work well, you understand what I mean now, not be everything will talk. He said they say the girls sabi work well. Now the boy come say, may he go see the girl. He said as he reach there, just see, and the boy just come fall in love with her. Now the guy come talk say, so you mean say this girl na your sister really? He come say na my sister. He say now the guy come say, okay, no worry, he go help you. Say already he don pay some part of the money, so the guy you come pay the balance money. Now he come carry, come say me come dey stay with am, may he not do the work again since he not dey married. He say na so they come dey together, then they come gather. He say before when they dey together, he come go meet his sister again. He come tell am say abeg, so na true say I no be your sister. You and me grow up, meet together, we eat together, sleep together. He say she no be her sister o. Make he ask him mama, she no be her sister. He say na there he come dey cry say if it be say wetin this lady dey talk so, if it be say na truth. He say he come dey pray. He come tell this guy when he help am so. He come tell am say wetin he go do. Then he say make he pray, maybe God go really reveal to am if na his sister or na that woman born am or no. He say he come begin dey pray. As he dey pray, he go dey see this woman for dream, and one other woman wey dey call Mama Glory He go dey see these two people for dream. He dey always dey see these two people for dream. But he no know why every time when he pray, if he sleep, na these two women na he dey see for dream. He say because these two women dem dey do fish business. They will go river, they will go buy fish, catch fish, buy fish, come dey sell for town. He say na dem be tight friend, dem be 5 and 6. Dem dey do that business for a very long time. And anytime he dream, he tell God say, God, I wan know my mama o. Na these two women na he dey see, but he no understand the dream. Say e be like say something attached to these two women wey be say he never know about. He say come quiet. He say he and this guy come pay connection money. Na so they take travel enter Europe. He say as they enter Europe, they just come give they okay. They come give them paper. Now the guy come say he want marry am. He say but he come dey tell am say he no know whether you don't know your parents. He say come say say na those people be parents. Say because when he call the mother that time when they dey Libya, when sister dey deny say not be sister. He said the woman go talk say make he not mind now, make he not mind her, make she not mind that their sister, make he not mind that their sister. He said that's why he can't take rest. He said so when this guy come, he can't born one for this guy. This guy can't say he want marry her. Now he can't call this woman. He can't say I beg I want pay bride price for this lady here. I love her. I want marry her. He said the woman say make he not pay bride price or make he carry go like that. In that sham, make he not worry for bride price. He said now from there now he husband come dey talk say they see something like this. Which one be say make he not pay bride price? They see free woman. He be like say you don't know where you from. Say your husband come dey laugh fine. Say na there he comes out to dey explain to the man say see as everything take come about. So he no know wetin dem dey talk about. He no even know how many years she dey. When she want do passport sef, they can't go dey ask woman dey happy make their pikin make dem pay bride price for their pikin. He want pay bride price. Now he say make he carry money go say he dash am woman. He say no understand you. Which kind human being you be? Abi you be spirit? He can't say not be spirit. He say come dey cry. Say the man come dey die. Your husband come dey do am anyhow because say he not get person nothing. Say he come dey cry. Come make the man understand. So when the man can't really understand everything, now he can't know say something dey happen somewhere. Say because they know they care about her. All their own na money. All the time when she dey do business, now she dey carry the family. Now she dey feed them. They do everything. When she still come Europe, the same thing. Even one of the woman's son sef, she come put am for mechanic, make he go learn mechanic. He still learn mechanic. He come still buy bus for am, make he take the work. You know. That's why they help when he still help for school. He still help for school. Now he dey help the family upon no. They know they even dey ask her how she dey live. Anything money now they just know if they need money today, and if she never see the money give them, his body not dey tell am. He go sometimes he go dey follow this his husband dey quarrel say his family need money for her, so make he bring money come. If he don't carry the money give the woman come dey pray for am. God go bless you. You go dey get money. You know they pray other prayer for her, say at least you go get children, you go get happiness on all that. And so money. You go dey get more money when you dey send come for us. So you go dey get money, you go dey send money come for also. You go marry, you go get better man wey go dey give you money. So you go come tell am say no be me and man na dey ask. Make I come see leave this man again. He no understand. He say na so the woman dey do her. The woman na so money, nothing more than money. Anytime they dey in need of money, he go dey give them money. He say na so they come dey do. He come dey help them. He say then one day they come tell am say Mama Gloria, which is that woman wey he say dey dream see. Say he say where him own money. Say make you bring money for am. He say come talk say Mama Gloria, money wey me dey give una, more than they give am for instance. Say no, she need her own special money. He say come talk say okay, wetin go happen? Give me Mama Gloria number, make I call her. Let they say like they not go give her Mama Gloria number. If she get any money when she want give Mama Gloria, make she give them. They go give Mama Gloria the money. Now he come say no, because he know say if he give them the money, they not go give Mama Gloria. They don't fit repeat this kind of words. Some time ago he give them money. he not sure say they give Mama Gloria that money or they not give her all of them. He said this time around he can say he go come Mama Gloria by herself, he go give her the money. That's then they come dey quarrel. Why you talk like that? For that reason, even Mama Gloria herself will go kill her. He can say why no wan kill Mama Gloria? I say because Mama Gloria owe too much. Wetin go make am come dey disturb us for money? Say make you give her money. He said they not gree give her Mama Gloria number. Now I come tell say since una not gree give me Mama Gloria number, una not call my line again. He not come dey pick their call. He can't block them for WhatsApp. He can't block them for Facebook. That is the short. He can't close our Facebook, open new Facebook. Then the husband can't call them. He can't tell them say me and una sister not dey again. Oh, she say I not get money. She don't leave me comot. We don't know where she dey. He say na so they can't leave her for waste. They not come dey worry her again. She just can't stay like that. He said then he can't go find one boy for Facebook when we say they grow up together. He can't go trace this boy for Facebook. He can't write this boy. He can't tell this boy say I beg in the find contact of Mama Glory. Say because see wetin dey happen to her life. He can't explain everything. Now the guy come dey tell am say even hear the matter sef say for Libya wetin your sister do you. They even surprise sef. He say I beg in dey find Mama Gloria number because if he dream, if he ask God say God, I want to know my mother. He say na Mama Gloria and this woman na him dey always dey see for dream. So he wan really talk to Mama Gloria make him know. Abeg help me for Mama Gloria number. Na so the guy come help am for Mama Gloria number because she no dey call the family again, so dem no know wetin dey happen. She come call Mama Gloria. Then he come dey tell Mama Gloria say see wetin dey happen to her, and they say you need money. Say he tell dem say he need money because e come be like say Mama Gloria see the way they take dey chop her. E be like say he know everything wey dey happen. E be like say they kolobi her for one corner. Then those people just dey collect money from her. So she no dey get her own share. So e come be like say the thing dey disturb Mama Gloria. Na make her come dey tell dem say mona tell am make he bring money for me o, make he bring my own for me o, because he wants to take his own share of the national cake. He say when he come tell Mama Gloria say he no get anything wey he go talk o. Only wetin he go tell you be say na two things na he wan tell you. Number one, you go carry these people go court make dem go show you your parents, or you go carry dem go native doctor make dem go show you, make dem swear say make dem show you your parents. And if na court you wan carry dem go, I go follow you go, I go stand with you. If na native doctor you wan carry dem go, I go follow you go, I go stand with you. No be wetin you go talk for phone. You need to come home so that you come settle this matter once and for all. He say no get another thing wey she wan talk. He say she no gree talk. Then he come call the boy, the brother back. He come tell am say see o, see respond wey Mama Gloria tell her. He say na then the brother come tell am say Mama Gloria and that mama, that him mother, the woman wey train her, he say they take oath. They swear say whoever reveal the secret go die. Na make Mama Gloria no wan reveal the secret. But if you can't draw them to where you want draw them go, maybe from there the secret go open. Say Mama Gloria open him mouth tell you, he no fit tell you because they swear oath. Now that oath Mama Gloria dey fear. Na make her no wan talk. Then come to say wetin he wan do now? Because he be woman with 3 children, he no know his parents. Make him just continue in her life like this. Or make she fight to know her parents. He no understand. Say because he confused. Before he bring this matter come here, na his husband na permit am say make he bring her come here. She's happily married because as they no gree make they pay bride price, they can't go do a court marriage for Europe. So the man still don't marry her for that one. But she want know her background. She want know where she from come. How this lady go fit take know her background, know where she from come? Wetin she fit do to take know her background? Which idea you get for her? Which solution you get for this our sister? He say right now the woman dey say after, because he don tey now after her husband don lie say dem no dey again, so they now come dey see money dey chop as they dey chop now. Now they come know say she dey important to them. They dey beg her now say abeg make dey call their mama dey sick o, their mama need her, their mama say im wan die if you wan see am, if you no see her. But this woman say she wan die, but all the time when she dey treat this girl badly, she no think of that one. She no reveal this girl identity to her. E no gree reveal am to her. Your children dey maltreat this girl. Even when she even do court marriage, she even tell them say she don do court marriage o. They no even wish her happy marriage life. You understand? She even tell when they give her document, she tell them say she don get document too. They say but if you bring money come, then they appreciate. They don't want anything good about this girl. And you not greeted this girl her background. I don't know. Now you dey sick say for me, what you not think? And she dey sick now, you need to say the truth. For me, because if you really know say you really dey sick, you want to talk to your daughter, you love her, you go open up, tell her the truth. Because no way you take treat her well. Okay, the man wey she know as father, he die. Una say make she not go the burial, but una collect burial money for her hands because say she get money that time. Una collect burial money for her hand. Una say make she not come the burial because maybe if you come the way they take treat her, or na there she go no say no be una born her. But now you say you need this girl. Me, I no come here come judge this matter because she no carry matter come give me personally say make I talk am. He say that this platform make people more than help her has this family where she do wrong with this family people wey they no want show her own biological parents or where she from come. Say whether they pick her for river where they go carry fish, they make the see talk am. Anywhere they know say they pick her. He say because when she dey grow they come, they always they call her one name for their this thing. It be like Mami Water Pikin. Whether that river side they for pick her now, she no know. Anyhow, she ready to bear it, but make they tell her because she no see love from them. All the way they take treat her. I just cut her short because our discussion is long. Maybe at the end I fit put am, but I never know because I know they let me my video made too long. So wanna help this our sister decide what to do. Whether make she go home, go draw she and Mama Gloria, make they come talk how they take see her, or make you just abandon them like that, continue her life as she dey Europe with her children, make she not go out again. Wetin una think? Abeg my precious people, my beautiful people, my responsible people, wanna help this our sister because I no imagine say person go dey life, e no know her background, e no know where she from come. You don't know our biological. I know say sometimes many people know they know their biological parents, but you don't know your biological parents. Those one when you know as parents, they show to you say they are your parents. You know what think about your biological parents. Now when you don't still get love from them, now then you can't begin the reason. They think, say wetin dey happen, wetin I do to the world. It dey somehow because this matter e no end here because this woman now she don get 3 kids. She say she no even know her age. And these 3 kids now, they will grow up and ask their mom, okay, we know our daddy side. Where your sides? They must surely ask her. You no get family. You no get papa, you no get mama, you no get sisters, you no get brother, uncles, auntie from your own side. These children, if they grow up, definitely they will ask their mother. They'll make this woman go, they remember her past again. So it's better for her to just know now. For me, wetin I think. But now I go decide wetin you think about this our sister. How she want to continue this her life. If she just end everything like this, it go dey better for her. Make she just be her husband family side. I don't know, my beautiful people. I beg una comment section and the voice recording go dey very very important, especially the voice recording because this our sister. He say no carry bag of school, they no put am for school. Oh na trade, go sell, go hawk, finish hawk, bring money come take feed the woman and her children. They no put am for school, but her children go. Okay, she come see strong go, come fit meet up, come see stand on her own ground, they do her own trade. She can't get money well. It still they help the same family. when be say that boyfriend come see do am wetin he do am, wey be say she no come see get, but the little money wey she get that time, she for fit use am start up again o before this sister say make e come go abroad. But I still thank God if they say if who dey pursue person na dey show person road, maybe his sister be do am make e take hurt her, but God come do am now. She dey Europe now, as she even dey Europe now, na even better part, because like say she dey Nigeria there. The trauma e go too much for her to carry, and people go dey laugh. You know as our Africa people be, any small thing dem don dey laugh person say this one, you no know where e for come o. You understand me? Before you go even see man wey go even carry say dem no know your family, even if say the man agree, but the man family dem go agree. Na be the thing for inside. Na that one make me dey talk. Abeg, the voice recording, abeg my precious people, make una help this our sister to find solution for this matter. E dey very very important. Na somebody life na involve here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your voice recording and your comment section. God will bless you and grant you your heart desire in the mighty name of Jesus. I just want to stop this video here, and I just want to say I'm your sister, your friend, your pikin. A problem said is a problem half solved. So if you have anything that is bothering you, we dey here for you. Abeg, for those people when they call me I no dey respond, just send me voice recording or you write me. I will call you back, or I will send you voice recording back, because the cost too much. I no dey fit pick. And those people wey I never bring their story come out, I know say I don't get many stories for ground now, small because this period I dey very very busy somehow. That's why. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Thank you for supporting. Bye bye.